Today we're going to be measuring to the inch. On all of your screens you have a pretend ruler, and this ruler is going to help you measure all of the pictures that are listed. So the first 5 screens we're going horizontally, which means the ruler is flat. All of your pictures are anchored into place, which means even if I click on stuff, it's not going to move around. It's leveled up, so it starts at the 0, which is where we start when we measure, and you have to see how long it is. This one is 3 inches because the picture stops at 3 inches. So this says how many inches is it. You're going to double click on the question mark and then type the number 3. There are a couple practice slides for that. Now we move on to the ones where the rulers are up and down. Again, it is anchored into place so you don't have to move anything around. You're going to see how tall this object is. And I go to the top of it and I see that it is 5 inches. So I double click and type a 5. There are a couple of those as well. Then you're going to come to some pictures that you can move the ruler around. Do you see how this one is not lined up for you? You can actually click and drag the ruler right on top of the picture so you can measure how long it is. This one is 8 inches. So I double click on the question mark and type 8. There are a couple of those where you can click and move the ruler to help you measure. And then there are some that are up and down too, that you can click and move the ruler to measure how tall something is. And this one is also 5 inches. Now remember, this is to the nearest inch, so if something is a little bit over or a little bit under your numbers, like this one's a little bit over 5, that's okay. Just round to the nearest inch and tell me the whole number. When you get done with the fox, then you can turn it in and the teacher will check it for you.